Okay, I'll say it once, I'll say it twice. If this found you, there's a reason. I know I always say that at the beginning of my readings, but I truly feel that this one really is finding you for a reason. So you weren't supposed to hear this until now, but Spirit just opened the path. Someone you're destined to meet or reconnect with is stepping onto your timeline, and that is why this reading is finding you. It's in divine timing. You weren't supposed to hear this before. Now is the time. Let's split the deck. Let's shuffle. Okay. So here's what I'm feeling. I'm feeling their soul energy for you. Their soul energy, this is an old soul, someone with depth, someone who carries past life memories of you, and their eyes will feel familiar immediately, okay? So this makes me feel like this is someone that you've known for lifetimes. So you'll know it. You'll have that magnetic connection. How you'll know it's them. So your nervous system calms down around them. Everyone talks about the butterflies, right? You feel calm. You don't have butterflies. You just feel at ease around them. Time feels slow. It's almost like you guys pause in a moment of time together. And there's also instant emotional safety that kind of goes hand in hand with the first one. What's their love language? I'm feeling acts of service, words of affirmation, deep emotional transparency, okay? And also very protective of you. So these are all things that I'm feeling in their energy while doing this reading. So your guides show me you're attracting someone who wants to show up, not just to talk. They want to completely immerse their energy into your life. This is a good thing, you guys. So here's what I feel like is going on with their current life situation. We're going to pull some cards in a minute, but I'm getting so much information that I want to get it all out there before I forget it. So I'm seeing them clearing space. They're ending cycles, moving, changing jobs, releasing old connections. They're preparing for you, even if they don't fully understand why. Like, you know how sometimes we're like, you look at your wardrobe and I'm like, I don't like any of those clothes. They're not me anymore. And you go on a shopping spree and you get all new clothes. It's like that. Like, they're clearing out their life. They're bringing in new things and they're getting ready for you. So you're probably asking yourself, okay, what's going to bring us together? How am I going to meet this person? Well, first things first, divine timing, okay? I'm seeing a big sign, like you're going to get a sign right before they come into your life, and it's going to be a synchronous moment, okay? It's like a meeting, message, online connection, like it's very synchronistic the way it happens. So not only do I feel like this is going to happen in synchronous timing, but I feel like it's going to be a very healing relationship. This relationship's going to heal you. You heal their wounds of abandonment, and they heal your wounds of being overlooked. It's just like the perfect yin and yang, okay? So what's the future that you have together? I feel emotional safety, okay? I feel stability. I feel passion, a deep spiritual path together, a home that actually feels like home, okay? These are some things that I really feel for this connection. So with that being said, your guides are aligning this, okay? They're aligning this union because you're finally ready for a love that won't break you. You've done the work. And it's time. And we're going to pull a card now. And what a perfect card to pull. It's Temperance, which has to do with healing. Okay? What a perfect card. I feel like that just validates the whole entire message. So claim this energy in the comments, you guys. Your moment is coming. Your person's coming. And it's going to change everything.